In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a WordPress site. If you want to take your site out of public view without deleting it, WordPress makes that process pretty simple. Changing the site visibility to private is a good option when you're updating content, redesigning the site, or just don't want visitors to access it for the time being. To get started, go to WordPress.com and open the Sites section. This is where you can view and manage the websites connected to your account. If you have more than one site, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Once you're in the sites area, click on the site that is currently published and that you want to unpublish. This will open that site's management dashboard, where you can access its settings and visibility options. From there, look for the visibility setting and click on it. This section controls who can access your site. It's important because it determines whether the site is available to the public, hidden from search engines, or restricted entirely. When the visibility options appear, choose private. Setting your site to private means it will no longer be publicly accessible in the normal way. This is often the fastest and safest method if you want to unpublish the site without removing its content or affecting the work you've already done behind the scenes. After selecting private, click Save to apply the change. This final step is what updates the site's visibility status, so be sure not to skip it. Once saved, your site should no longer be visible to the general public. If you want to confirm that the change worked, you can open the site in a private or incognito browser window and check how it appears to someone who isn't logged in. That can help you verify that the site is no longer publicly available, and that's it. By going to your site's dashboard, selecting the published site, opening the visibility settings, switching the site to private, and saving the change, you can quickly unpublish your WordPress site while keeping everything intact for later use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.